Join Synteza AI with your Google account. Keeps it quick and secure. Choose the 3D model you want to train on, then download it in GLB, OBJ, or FBX format. Upload it straight into Data Generator. The app auto-imports geometry, pivots, textures, and scale. Head to the Material tab to stylize the asset. Here you can tweak base color, set up PBR textures, which help the network generalize. Next, define dataset level parameters. Choose your annotation schema like CocoJSON or YOLO text. Select presets of environment parameters, lighting intensity. Full randomization forces the model to see every angle and lighting condition. Click Generate to start. Once generation is complete, download the zip containing the dataset. For the full production run, pull the generated dataset and launch CV pre-training. Evaluate on a real-world clip. If precision lags on certain poses, hop back to Synteza, crank up frame diversity, and regenerate targeted scale and angles. No 3D file? Grab a phone, do a sweep, reconstruct the mesh in reality capture, then feed that model into Synteza AI just like before.